Your partner should be sitting beside you. At this center today, you're going to be investigating an object and asking questions about it. Think about that main idea of our lesson today. How do scientists know so much as you go through each of these steps? Step 1, you should be sitting next to your partner. Step 2, you should have your computer at a low volume and your worksheet and pencil ready. You should also have your magnifying glass nearby. Step 3, we're going to observe an object that you are guaranteed to have around. While you use your hand every day, you may have never taken the time to look at it closely and ask questions. Hold up the hand that you don't normally use to write with. That's what you'll observe today. Look at your hand closely. Carefully look at the top and the bottom. Bend your fingers and watch how they move. Now, put your hand down in the middle of the paper and have your partner trace your hand. Then, trace theirs. If you need more time during this step, be sure to hit the pause button. Step 6. Think of one question you have about your hand and write it somewhere in the white space around your hand. Once again, if you need more time to complete this step, press the pause button. Step 8. Look at all of your fingers closely. Add as many details as you can to your drawings. Look at the lines, markings. Try to include as many of them as possible. Step 9. Talk to your partner about these questions. What is the same about your hands? What is different? What questions do you have about your hands? Step 10. Write down the most interesting questions that you discuss with your partner around your hands in the white space. If you'd like, you can draw arrows to what part of the hand you're talking about. Step 11. Circle a fingernail in your drawing and draw a line to the magnifying glass in the corner. Step 12. Use the magnifying glass to look at your fingernail more closely. Write a question that you have about it. Step 13. How many questions have you been able to come up with? Count your questions and write the number in your curiosity counter at the bottom of the worksheet. Step 14. Choose one question you'd like to investigate in the future and circle it. It should be a question that you're really curious about. Step 15. Now that you've come up with all of these questions, pick one question you'd like to investigate in the future and circle it. Now that you're finished investigating and questioning, get a sticky note from your caddy. Write your name on it. Write an answer for the question, how do scientists know so much? And stick it on the poster in the front of the room. Don't forget to think about what you learned in this centers and all of the other centers. You are officially finished this center.